Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be doing a 4K video test with the OnePlus 7 Pro. We're going to see just how good the quality is when recording in 4K at 60 frames per second with the rear-facing cameras. Now, I will also do a front-facing camera video test as well, but keep in mind that with the front-facing camera, you can only film in 1080p, so keep that in mind when watching this video. But I still want to give you guys an idea of what the quality is going to be like when using the front-facing camera. But we're going to focus more on the rear-facing cameras for the majority of this video, so you can see how well the 4K quality is when filming with the cameras on this device. So let's get it started. All right, so here it is, the front-facing camera on the OnePlus 7 Pro, filming at 1080p. Let me get some movement around here so you can check out stabilization, quality. Also, let me know how well my voice is coming through the mics, the background noise. It's a little bit breezy out here, so let me know if you guys can hear some of the wind noise. And I don't know if you guys can hear it through the mics, but there's a little bit of bell chimes in the background as well that I can hear. I don't know if you guys can hear it through the mics, but let me know so far what you think. Let me get a little bit of jogging here. Check out stabilization. Turn around, jog this way. Here we go. And on the viewfinder, it looks a little bit shaky, but I won't know until I go back and watch the actual video. But yes, this is filming with the front-facing camera. As you can see, there's some clouds in the sky over there. Through the viewfinder, it looks like it's picking up the clouds pretty good. So far, it looks pretty good in my opinion. Like I said, I'm gonna have to go back and watch the video to see what I really think. But you guys let me know your thoughts down below. Let's go ahead and switch over to the rear-facing camera. All right, so here we are with the rear-facing camera at 4K, 60 frames per second. I'm doing kind of a slow walk here so we can check out stabilization. Let me know what y'all think. Let me get close to this bush over here, see how well the focus works when I get close to it. Not looking too bad in my opinion, at least what I'm seeing here in the viewfinder. Now I'm going to jog a little bit. Now I'm not sure if stabilization is supported when filming at 60 frames per second in 4K. I looked in the settings menu and I didn't see any option to be able to turn it off or on like you do on the Galaxy devices. But I will do a little test after this, recording in just regular 4K, 30 frames per second, and see if stabilization is better. But let me jog a little bit real quick, check out stabilization. And it looks a little bit bouncy to me, at least what I can see here in the viewfinder. So let me go ahead and switch over to 4K 30 frames per second and see if stabilization is a lot better. All right, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second. Let me know what you think about the difference between 30 frames and 60 frames per second. If the stabilization is better with 30 frames per second. Doing a slow walk right here. Let me get a little jogging going on so we can really test out that stabilization. There we go. Let's check out the focus. If I get close to this bush right here, see how well that looks. So yeah, this is 4K, 30 frames per second. Let me know what y'all think about the difference between the two. I also went ahead and put together a little montage for you guys so you can check out more of what the quality is like. And I also want to mention that this whole video is going to be edited on this device as well and uploaded straight to YouTube from this OnePlus 7 Pro. So you guys enjoy the montage and let me know what you think. All right, so we are back on the front-facing camera. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment sections below of what you think the quality is like when recording 4K video with the rear-facing cameras on this device. And also let me know what you think of the front-facing camera as well when recording in 1080p. I'd love to know. Like I said, this whole video will be edited on this device as well and uploaded straight to YouTube on this device. If you guys have any other ideas of stuff you'd like to see, videos you'd like to see of me doing with this device, stuff you want to know, just just let me know down in the comments sections below. You already know I love taking your ideas into consideration and making videos out of them. So just let me know down in the comments if you did like this video. Make sure to leave a huge thumbs up on it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. But for now, this is Josh Quinones. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all on the next one. Peace out.